How to read out responses received from ChatGPT. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can read out all of the responses that ChatGPT is giving, especially if you are tired of reading them and you just want to listen. Maybe it's a story or something else that you want to recite. So to do that, first open any new chat and type something so that you have a response. So for example, let's say I will simply disable the search and ask ChatGPT to write a short story in about 50 words. And just to make it simple, I'll simply choose the instant mode so that I receive a particular story very quickly. And here you can see that this is the story. Now let's say if I wish to read it aloud, I will simply click onto this more actions, and from here click onto this read aloud option, and you can
Here's
see.
a short story in about 50 words. A boy found an old key buried beneath a tree. Curious, he searched for the lock it belonged to and discovered a hidden chest in his grandfather's attic. Inside were letters, photos, and memories.
So as you can see that, or as you can hear that ChatGPT pronounced it really well, and this is one of the things that I would like you to tell. So that was all. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.